Imagine being told that the cure for blindness was a luxury your community couldn't afford. Dr. Patricia Bath refused to accept that reality. From the streets of Harlem to the labs of UCLA, she didn't just break glass ceilings, she shattered them to invent a future where sight is a human right, not a privilege. This is the story of the woman who used a laser to turn darkness into light and change the face of medicine forever.
This is African American History is American History.
Born on November 4, 1942, in Harlem, New York, Dr. Patricia E. Bath didn't just practice medicine, she redefined it. A powerhouse ophthalmologist, laser scientist, and humanitarian, Dr. Bath spent her life shattering glass ceilings so that others could simply see the world around them. Dr. Bath's career was a masterclass in breaking barriers. Her resume reads like a roadmap of historical milestones. The first African American to serve as an ophthalmology resident at NYU. The first woman to lead a postgraduate training program in ophthalmology. The first African American female surgeon on staff at the UCLA Medical Center. The first African American female doctor to receive a medical patent. Eventually, holding 5 patents that revolutionized eye surgery.
This is African American History is American History.
While at UCLA's Jewelstein Eye Institute, Dr. Bath founded the Keratoprosthesis KPRO program. This wasn't just a clinical success. It was a lifeline. Decades later, the KPRO program continues to restore sight to thousands, proving that her innovative medical technology has a legacy that outlives her. But Dr. Bath's brilliance was always matched by her heart. During her time at Harlem Hospital, she noticed a devastating trend. Blindness was significantly more prevalent in Black communities, with glaucoma occurring at 8 times the rate of other populations. Instead of accepting this disparity, she pioneered a brand new discipline in 1976, Community Ophthalmology. By merging public health with clinical surgery, she brought life-changing eye care directly to underserved urban areas and developing nations. Driven by the belief that eyesight is a basic human right, Dr. Bath founded the nonprofit American Institute for the Prevention of Blindness, AIPB. Her mission took her across the globe, where she provided life-saving vaccinations, vitamins, and eye drops to newborns, performed complex surgeries in remote corners of the world, and lectured at elite universities to inspire the next generation of women in STEM. In an interview, Dr. Bath shared that her, quote, personal best moment occurred in North Africa. Using her specialized keratoprosthesis technique, she was able to restore the sight of a woman who had been blind for over 30 years. Dr. Bath continued her relentless fight against blindness until her passing on May 30, 2019.
Dr. Patricia Bath's life serves as a powerful reminder for everyone today, Black, white, man, or woman. Your vision, when paired with purpose, can quite literally change the world.
This has been African American History is American History.
I'm Claudia Sanders.
I'm Harlan Kearsley. And on behalf of everyone involved with African American History is American History, thank you for listening.
And if you haven't done so, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as new episodes are posted.
Thanks again, and please stay safe. African American History is American History. Copyright H.C. Kearsley, 2026.